and I have a full-time job that takes a lot of time, and I have a family with 2 small children, which also takes a lot of time, and I have many other personal and professional responsibilities. So therein lies the significant benefit that I have received through the online degree learning. This flexible format really allows me to fit education into my busy personal and professional schedule. In fact, really without this flexible format provided through the BSN at-home program, I would not have been able to achieve this goal at all. However, the flexibility of online learning in no way reduces the quality of education that I have received. I have had a privilege of interacting with a diverse group of online students, and our discussions, although not live, are extremely thought-provoking, extremely insightful, and I feel that I have learned and grown through these experiences. Additionally, the expertise of my professors has really been outstanding. Every class I have taken has benefited me in my professional development. As an adult learner, I am looking truly to utilize what I'm learning to improve the ability to function as a manager in my current role, and ultimately to improve the care that patients receive through the health system that I work for. So my education has really exceeded those expectations. In summary, I consider my education through the University of Wisconsin system really to be top-notch. It has helped me to reach many of my professional goals already, and I have no doubt that I will be able to achieve many additional goals through my Bachelor of Science degree in nursing.